it's the Rainbow Creeper 101 here. I'm back with another video, and today I am reviewing the fidget spinner. And if you guys know, the fidget spinner is getting really popular, so I bought one on Amazon, and here it is. So I got a green one, and I'm just gonna review it and say my opinion on it. So let me just unbox this. Okay guys, so here it is out of the package. And now I'm just going to take it out of this package and put it to the side. So here's a spinner. My sister also has one. I will probably get that in a second and show you guys it. And, you know, it's basically a fidget spinner. If you guys do not know what a fidget spinner is, I don't know where you've been for the past, month or so. But these are very popular now, and let me just show you guys this in action. Okay guys, so here's my fidget spinner. It's a bright green, and these spin really fast. This is not the fastest it can go. This is just kind of like an example. You can also balance it on your finger like I am right now. So for a bonus, I'm gonna go get my sister's fidget spinner. I'm gonna show you guys it. So if you guys buy this, go ahead and let me know if you have one. Let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll go get my sister's. Guys, so here's my sister's right here. It's white, and then it has red, green, and blue on it. This also spins the same. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make more space. So that's how they look. This is my sister's, and this is mine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you want in the comments. From JC23 Jumpman Jr. 8, he said he wants to see more DIYs, so I'm just getting a DIY plan for next week. And let me know down below. Let me know if you have one of these or if you're getting one. And I'll see you guys next Friday. So, bye.